So, our next topic is starting the online business. Why it make a sense at all? There are a number of reasons why a person looking for additional resources of income would prefer online business to any other type of venture. When you think of alternative ways to make money, usually you want your new business to be quick to start, low cost, easy to run. Where you want to quick start your business? If you are still working full-time job, just want to experiment with a new business, you obviously cannot spend much time on learning and much energy on learning. It shows that when you have a full-time job, you have less time for learning and you have less energy for learning. So, due to the less time and less energy on learning, everyone want to quick start their business. And second is low cost. What different type of business require? The answer is these business require different amount of financial investment at the beginning. Remember that whenever you start your new type of business, don't invest huge money or huge cost on your business because it is difficult for you to manage such type of business. So remember, just start from the low cost, and whenever you understand your business, then invest more in your business so that you can take a profit. For example, if you want to open a store to resell someone else's product, can you afford buying these items upfront in bulk? It means whenever you start your own business, or you have any capacity to buying these items bulky? No. Maybe you can buy these items bulk, but it is a risky work because start your business with a low cost. Then as you understand your business, understand the process of the business, then try to invest more and easy to run business. Why everyone want to run its business easily? There are some reasons due to which everyone want to run its business easily. The main reason are we give up on our regular jobs in our desire to have more free time. We waste hours on dull reports or risk your life in dangerous manufacturing facility if you can enjoy relaxing time with your family. These are some reasons that people want to easy to run their business. Thank you.